Welcome to this tutorial on tips for BMO Youth Account, designed to help you navigate the world of banking as a young adult. A BMO Youth Account is a great way to start managing your finances. And with these tips, you will be well on your way to financial success. First, it is essential to understand the benefits of a BMO Youth Account. This type of account is designed specifically for young people, typically those under the age of 19. It offers a range of features, including no monthly fees, unlimited transactions, and access to online and mobile banking. To get the most out of your BMO Youth Account, it is crucial to set financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve, whether it is saving for a car, college tuition, or a big purchase. Having a clear goal in mind will help you stay focused and motivated to manage your money effectively. Next, learn how to budget. A budget is a plan for how you will use your money, and it is vital to make sure you are not overspending. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Then categorize your spending into needs and wants. Make sure to prioritize your needs, such as saving and essential expenses, over your wants. Another critical aspect of managing your BMO Youth Account is understanding how to use debit and credit cards responsibly. A debit card is linked directly to your account, so be careful not to overspend. A credit card, on the other hand, allows you to borrow money from the bank, but be sure to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. In addition to these tips, it is also important to learn about saving and investing. Consider setting up a separate savings account and take advantage of high-interest savings options. You can also explore investment opportunities, such as a tax-free savings account, to help your money grow over time. Finally, stay on top of your account activity by regularly checking your balance and transaction history. This will help you detect any suspicious activity and ensure that your account is secure. By following these tips, you will be well on your way to managing your BMO Youth Account effectively. Remember to always prioritize your financial goals, budget carefully, and use your debit and credit cards responsibly. With a little practice and patience, you will become a pro at managing your finances and setting yourself up for long-term financial success.